Elevate your 2025 small garden and outdoor space with stylish, elegant, and minimalist luxury design. Designed for those who cherish both beauty and simplicity, this trend-setting concept turns even the smallest spaces into lush retreats of serenity and style. Picture yourself surrounded by vibrant greenery paired with sleek, minimalist focal decor such as sculptural planters, ambient lighting, and chic water features. These elements are artfully arranged to foster a harmonious balance between nature and design. Every aspect of this collection is thoughtfully curated to infuse your outdoor sanctuary with a sense of calm sophistication. In 2025, outdoor spaces transcend their traditional role as mere extensions of the home, emerging as reflections of personal lifestyle choices and aesthetic preferences. Our cutting-edge designs focus on clean lines, neutral palettes, and luxurious textures to impart timeless elegance. Statement pieces such as modular seating, geometric fire pits, and vertical gardens are seamlessly integrated to maximize space without sacrificing style. Whether you're hosting an intimate gathering or seeking solitude in a serene environment, these spaces are meticulously crafted to inspire both joy and relaxation. Embrace the ethereal fusion of nature and design, creating havens that are both modern and inviting. Elevate your outdoor experience with touches of minimalist luxury that resonate with the soul. Stylish pergolas adorned with climbing vines offer shaded refuge, while artfully arranged stone pathways invite exploration and reflection. Every element is deliberately designed to cultivate a sense of peace and connectivity. Adding a personal touch is effortless, with ambient string lights casting a warm glow and cozy throws providing comfort during cooler evenings. Aromatic plants not only enhance the sensory experience, but also enrich the overall atmosphere with their pleasing scents. This transcends the conventional notion of a garden. It's a transformative lifestyle upgrade that enhances daily living with warmth, charm, and a sprinkle of enchantment. As we step further into the future, the importance of creating outdoor spaces that truly feel like home becomes increasingly evident. The 2025 collection encourages you to break free from traditional constraints, adopting a more innovative and adaptable approach to garden design. By incorporating cutting-edge materials and technologies, such as smart irrigation systems and sustainable landscaping solutions, you're not only beautifying your surroundings, but also committing to environmental responsibility. This forward-thinking approach ensures that your outdoor areas remain not only stunning, but also functional and sustainable for years to come. Imagine sitting under a pergola where the lighting adjusts automatically as the sun sets, or enjoying a self-sustaining vertical garden that not only provides beauty, but also cleans the air and supports local wildlife. These are the kinds of innovations that define the garden of the future. So, step into this new era of outdoor living where each garden becomes a personal refuge, a source of inspiration, and a testament to the harmonious blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity. With every carefully selected plant, piece of furniture, and design choice, you are creating more than just a garden. You're cultivating a legacy of elegance and tranquility that will enrich everyday life for generations to come. Embrace the future of outdoor living and create a sanctuary that truly feels like home.